Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, March the 24th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars, you are doing an outstanding job of attending school every day. We have hit 98 or higher % of scholars coming to school every day, virtually and in person. So nice job, scholars. Keep up the good work. Also, scholars, remember to turn in your exit tickets every day, your do nows every day, and have your cameras on and participate so you can get participation grades. I want to ensure that you get the grade for being a part of your class every single day. Remember, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars virtually today from 4:30 to 5:30 is mock star pickup. So you need to come by, pick up your stuff, so you'll be ready for your mock star test for next Monday, Tuesday, and 5th graders science on Wednesday. All right, scholars, it's going to be a great day. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!